Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today, I would like to do a test because I see this one on the internet, and this is basically for we using to wash the glasses. So you just like place the glasses here, and that will wash the glasses. So this machine that itself, it will shake, and then to try to clean the glasses. And but here, what I'm going to try using this, I'm going to using this to see if I be able to using this to wash the rollers and see if that does works. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here, as you can see, the bottom for this, it can like you can find a flat surface, and here I'm gonna using a setting board because this can make the machine is state when it's working, then it will cause the vibration. So this one will stick this on the setting board as is not moving that easily. Okay, so now we're gonna try it and using this machine to wash the roller for 20 minutes and see what's gonna happen after. All right, let's go. Okay, so here everything is ready. We are going to wash it. So here I'm gonna using the lighter fluid and to wash the rollers. Okay, so I start just make everything evenly, then I put the lighter fluid, and you just need to put the lighter fluid just enough to cover all the rollers, and that's good enough. Okay, so now we're gonna start washing it. Then we're gonna washing for 20 minutes. Then we just put the cover on and we turn the switch on. Okay, so we're gonna keep that washing in 20 minutes. And here, please turn down your volume because the machine is a little bit noisy. And but here I'm gonna open it, then you can see. Okay, so here you can see is the machine is causing the vibration and is washing the rollers. Same idea as what we put the lighter fluid in the bottle and we shake it. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen after 20 minutes. Okay, so here is after 20 minutes. Then we're gonna stop it and open it and see how it looks like right after we're using this machine to wash the rollers. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the roller out, then we're gonna wipe it, and we're gonna test it and do a spin test and see how it works. Of course, we're using the lighter fluid, or if you're using the electric contact cleaners to do this kind of cleaning, and it should works, makes the roller can like washing and make it the roller clean. And but here we're gonna just do a test to see after this machine wash it, and is this roller can also spin good as when we just using the regular way to wash it. Okay. Okay, so since like it's doing pretty good, and here what we're gonna do, we're gonna watch, we're gonna take a look at inside and see how it works. Okay, So here you can see the lighter fluid is not like the at the beginning like clear. That at the beginning is turns a little bit darker, and also on the side you can see there's lots of the dirty stuff in front came from the rollers is all came up. So it basically is same idea, like we shake the bottles and then try to shake the everything dirty stuff from the roller and shake it out, and it does actually I have to say it does do the job. So it's pretty good to have this, because like for myself I have lots of rollers. So when I try to wash everything all at the once, and then uh, this machine can make it easier, especially if I'm washing that much at all the same time. And also like you don't have to wash for that long, because for the machines you can like is during the wash it causes the vibration, so you can short the time, like maybe down to 30 minutes, or you can try to make it an hour. Then you'd be able to just using that right away. But the other thing is I have to say over here is the battery for this machine using is the AAA battery. So here, if I will suggest people, if you are trying to get this kind of a machine, then you can get a rechargeable battery for 3A battery. So this way you don't have to waste your money and keep buying the alkaline 3A battery. So this way can also save you a little bit. Okay, so the other thing also is, remember after we wash the rollers and all the lighter fluid that left, those lighter fluid we can put it into a bottle, then to save those, and to using that to maybe like for myself I using that to clean my tire, so I'm not wasting all those lighter fluid. So you can still using those and by not wasting it. Okay, and also this machine actually it doesn't really cost that much. It is only costs about 15 Canadian dollars. So it's like around 10 US dollar. So it's not really that bad. So if you want to try it, then please you can get it online. I believe eBay or Amazon they might have this kind of a machine for sale. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you have any question or something you want to ask, please leave your comment at the bottom. And don't forget, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.